Welcome back, Quicksters! Today, we're going to talk about another common health problem that affects millions of people worldwide: diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition in which the body has difficulty regulating blood sugar levels, leading to high blood sugar levels and other health complications. While medications can help manage diabetes, making dietary changes can also play a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of complications. By incorporating the right foods into your diet, you can help lower your blood sugar levels naturally and improve your overall health and well-being. Here are some foods that can help lower blood sugar levels. Incorporating leafy greens into a diabetes-friendly diet is a smart move because they are low in carbohydrates and packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health. In addition to spinach and kale, other leafy greens that are great for diabetes management include collard greens, turnip greens, and mustard greens. These greens are also a good source of dietary nitrates, which have been shown to have blood pressure-lowering effects. Nuts and seeds are another great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. In addition to being low in carbohydrates, they are also rich in healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamins and minerals. Walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all great options that have been shown to improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of heart disease. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat are a great source of fiber and complex carbohydrates, which are digested slowly and do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes them a great choice for people with diabetes who need to manage their blood sugar levels. In addition to these grains, other good sources of fiber include oats, barley, and bulgur wheat. Beans and legumes are another great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. They are low in carbohydrates and have a low glycemic index, which means they do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Chickpeas, lentils, and black beans are all good options that are also a good source of protein and fiber. Avocado is a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins and minerals, making it a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. In addition to its blood sugar-lowering effects, avocado has also been shown to improve cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Berries are a great low-carbohydrate fruit option for people with diabetes. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and have been shown to improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all great options that can be enjoyed as a snack or added to smoothies or yogurt. Incorporating these foods into a diabetes-friendly diet can provide a range of health benefits and help manage blood sugar levels. However, it is important to remember that dietary changes alone may not be sufficient to manage diabetes, and it is important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment. That's it for today's episode, Quicksters. I hope you enjoyed learning about the foods that can help lower blood sugar levels. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, The Quick List, for more health tips and tricks. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.